discuss a very important topic, that is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis, as you know, is a formation of the gametes by primary reproductive organs. There are two types of gonads in organisms. The male gonads are known as testes, while as the female gonads are known as the ovary. The male gonads produce the male gametes known as sperms, while as the female gonads, that is ovary, produce the female gametes known as ova. The formation of sperms are called spermatogenesis, while as the formation of ova from the ovary, female gonads, this process is known as oogenesis. In this lecture, we will discuss only one process, that is spermatogenesis. Dear students, what is spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis is a process. एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें स्पर्मेटोगोनियल मदर सेल्स जो होती हैं, प्राइमोडियल सेल्स जो होती हैं, these produce the spermatozoa. Once more, the haploid spermatozoa are produced from the diploid spermatogonial stem cells या primordial cells. This process is known as the spermatogenesis. What is the location of the process? Where does this process take place? This process, the entire process of spermatogenesis, takes place in the male gonads known as the testes. And on the basis of the location of testes, on the basis of the testicular cycle, the organisms are classified into three types. Organisms are classified into three types. There are seasonal breeders like bats and llamas. ये सीजनल ब्रीडर्स जो होते हैं, जैसे बैट्स हैं, लामाज हैं, सिर्फ साल के कुछ हिस्से में, किसी खास पीरियड में, किसी खास वक्त के दौरान उनके जो रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो फंक्शनल रहते हैं. In case of these bats, llamas, in case of seasonal breeders, testes become functional only at the time of the breeding season. What happens during the breeding season? During breeding season, the testes enlarge, become functional, and descend into the scrotal sacs or descend into the scrotum only during the breeding season. सिर्फ breeding season के दौरान ही उनका जो male gonad है, testes है, it descends into the scrotal sacs, and thereafter, once the spermatogenesis, once the process is over, the testes ascend back into the abdominal cavity. This is one group. Second group is humans, lion, and horses. These are continuous breeders. Because these remain, the reproductive organs, the testes remain functional throughout the year. In these animals, the testes are extra-abdominal. Testes are extra-abdominal. The testes remain outside the abdomen in the scrotal sacs. The third group, in case of humans, अगर हम humans की बात करें, humans में testes जो है, it develops inside the abdominal cavity. In case of humans, testes develop inside the abdominal cavity, but descend into the scrotal sacs in the 7th month of embryonic development. In the 7th month of embryonic development, under the influence of a hormone, that hormone is known as follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. The third group is whales and elephants. In these animals, testes are always intra-abdominal. Testes are always intra-abdominal. These never descend into the scrotal sacs, or in other words, we say that scrotal sacs in these animals are absent because testes are always intra-abdominal. That is, the spermatogenesis takes place inside the abdomen at the body temperature. The entire process of spermatogenesis, ये पूरी process जो है, it is completed in two phases. ये दो phases में complete होती है. एक को कहते हैं formation of spermatids. The first phase is formation of spermatids. This is further subdivided into three phases: multiplication phase, growth phase, and then maturation phase. The second phase is spermiation. The second phase is spermiation. Or we can, the metamorphosis of spermatids. The change of spermatids into the the change of this spermatogonia into spermatids. This is known as the spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. The entire process of spermatogenesis, it takes place in the testes, but the functional unit of testes is seminiferous tubule. तो हम कह सकते हैं ये पूरी प्रोसेस जो है ये कहाँ होती है, इनसाइड द सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ ए हार्मोन, मेल सेक्स हार्मोन नोन एज टेस्टोस्टेरोन. तो अब हम फर्दर डिस्कस करेंगे टू फेजेस ऑफ द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस इन